This is Core Conversations with Natalie Baggio.
Welcome to Core Conversations. I'm Natalie Baggio, and this is our first episode. And we are going to dive deep into the heart of healthcare, learning from people, ideas, and innovations. And today, Jonny Reinhart is joining me. Welcome.
I'm excited to talk with you, Natalie. This is a really exciting journey. I know we've been working on a lot of this behind the scenes. So I want to ask you so that the audience can understand, why did you want to embark on a podcast and have these conversations?
For a couple of reasons. First, it's about connection, helping other people hear what we're doing in healthcare. And it's also about amplifying our message and sharing all the great work.
Yeah.
And connecting with the community.
No, I'm excited about that because, learning more, not only about you, because we'll do that here in a second, but also to hear about a lot of the people within the industry, the doctors, the nurses and whatnot. This is going to be great. But first, since it is the first episode and it's hosted by you, let's get to know you a little bit better. Tell us about you.
Well, at my core, I love being around people. I grew up in a family business. My father owned and operated for 45 years. And I learned very early on the values of caring for a community and also caring for people. And I watched him as I grew up be able to humanize people's experiences, even if it was coming into a restaurant and him knowing exactly what the customer was going to order or what their preferences were. And that experience has carried on with me throughout my career.
Yeah, and it takes it to another level when somebody remembers your order. But so you went and sort of on that journey of taking over the family business, right?
For a while, yes. And, a lot of people don't realize that nursing is a second profession for me. I was originally business, MBA, and then I decided to go back to nursing school because I just wanted to experience something bigger, maybe something that had an expanded impact on a different type of community. And that's what led me to nursing. And I have enjoyed every minute of being a nurse and now a leader.
And so as a nurse, and then that was in the, St. Louis area?
Yes.
How did you get to here in Southwest Michigan?
When I moved to Southwest Michigan in 2017, it was to serve as the chief nurse for the Lakeland system. And I really enjoyed that experience, and I felt immediately embraced by the community, and I just really enjoyed the rhythm of life here, and I feel very connected to the work here within the Southwest Michigan area.
So, Natalie, how did your journey in healthcare kind of evolve to now be the president of Corewell Health South?
It's been a very organic journey.
Okay.
I'm led by compassion and enthusiasm, and wherever I can help is what's important to me and drive value. And this opportunity gives me ability to have a 360-degree impact. And it's a blend of my values of caring for people and compassion, but also I love operations. And this allows me to blend both of them together.
Yeah. What excites you most about the future of healthcare here in this community?
I think healthcare is at a very exciting time. What we're rethinking now is how do we transform care and an innovative care model, because we have so many different pressures at this point in time. And what I'm really passionate about is creating more access to healthcare, especially in rural America, which is here in Southwest Michigan, and also being able to bring healthcare closer to home.
So a lot of people are watching this or listening to this and probably wondering, how can we partner with Corewell Health South and create a healthier future?
Well, our healthcare in our community is based on the needs of our community's health. And what we can do together is create an envision, and that envision leads to an impact. I don't believe that healthcare is created in a silo. It's really how we work together as a community to deliver that transformational care.
And as you said, we're going to talk to a lot of great people, part of Corewell Health South, and doctors and nurses and so many great people. What can we expect in the next upcoming episodes?
Well, in our series, we're inviting our leaders to have a look behind the curtain for our community at the work that they're doing each day and how they care for patients and our team members and our community and what type of impact they're making.
Well, I'm excited to watch and listen and hear more about all of it.
Thank you very much for being here with me today. And thank you, everyone, for joining our first episode of Core Conversations.